Hey Simply Friends, for today's video I am going to unbox my parcel from Amazon, and these are, okay, I have one of these. It's a monitor or a camera. It's a home security camera. It's important. And the second one is I ordered because I'm super intrigued about this one, so that's why I ordered it. It's from Vuori shampoo bar here. So I'm excited to try this one. It smells good. It's like flower smells. And the next one I ordered is the accessories. What is this for accessories? I forgot about this. I didn't realize I bought that one. I think it was wrong. But anyway, guys, that's all. I think I have one more. And I bought this one too. It's from this soy. It's for relaxing, and it's like a fidget type thing. A lot of kids or even adult loves to do this. Yeah, it's really nice. So I think that's all for today, guys. Oh, anyway, I'll show you the soap, what it looks like. So you open that way. So that's the inside. Yeah. It's a floral smell. Smells good. Alrighty, and that's all for today's video, and I hope you like and subscribe to my channel, and I will update you if I like this soap, and I will update you for the camera if the camera works better. But anyway, thank you for watching, and